dry soil to a garden. So this was June 2024. And as you can see, our high hopes were basically dry soil, no vegetables, zero progress if you ask me. And yeah, that was a few months ago. But I think in this time, we learned a few things. I think the biggest thing obviously was compost, and the need to do it weekly, as well as pollination. So I think we were very lucky after this season that we had planted pumpkins that were great pollinators to kind of get some of our garden producing anything. So yeah, I think that would be a big thing, is to really add in pollinators if I could go back. And I think another thing is to water, and I think not too much, but I think deep. And basically this is it. This is the transformation. And who would have thought? This is now June 2025, 12 months later. We are now growing our own food, we are saving money, and we are living healthier. One of my favorite parts about working in the garden is I feel like it's just like a stress reliever after a long day. I get to eat exactly what we grow, and you kind of see it's a little bit more greens that we're adding into our meals. It tastes so much better, and definitely it saves money. It saves money, and if anything, it's saving the planet. So fresh produce, no plastic waste, everything is kind of going into our body. So yeah, if your garden doesn't look exactly like how our garden looks now, just don't give up. Start with the basics, stay consistent, and your soul will thank you. So yeah, just let me know when you starting your journey, because this is your sign to start your own garden. Don't forget to subscribe to Seedlings, where everything here is homegrown.